All nicely stripped down. It wasn't particularly around the handles now. I've got it all. Stand back and get it all in. Give the seat a coat of primer. Good. I've actually put that in. Keep in mind, can't even name them fuckers. Little black and white bastards, I can't even name them. Swallows. And he's sitting up there and he's shiting down and everything. One of the drawbacks of having cables up high. So, here would be a good spot. The seat, because he can't shite there because there's nothing he can stand on. The back cover now is primed. Give it 2 good heavy coats and it looks good. Well, that was like about 3 hours ago. And the front I'm going to be inside the grass box, so really it don't need to be perfect. I'll give it another coat. Grass box. I haven't painted the primer and you can see all the brush strokes, but not going to be seen either. The front unit, yeah, it won't really matter. It's only the okay. Hanger unit come up well. No, I'm not impressed with me brush strokes. Came out and I had a bit of a run there, so you know where my thumb is. But sure, the wheel is going to cover to about there, I'd say. So it shouldn't be. I don't really care if it can be seen or not. It's well covered. I gave it 2 coats of primer and granted I put them on by brush. So put a nice, it's 2 layers now, 2 coats on that now, and it's a heavy black. And it actually feels like a heavy coat on it. I've cut a 22mm hole in the, it could be 25 now either. I made sure it was 22 anyway when the top cover to take that. I shall highlight that bolt with a bit of red. You can see the brush strokes in that. If I get on an angle somewhere, I can see it in the camera there now. I'll have the brush strokes, but that's not going to be seen either. But it's got great coverage on it anyway. And there's a nice coat. I'll lacquer that up. He painted it up 2 weeks ago. I went and gave it another coat, another 2 coats of primer, one on the back and one on the front. And I kind of ran out of primer and it started spitting on me here, so I got, this being the bottom of it, I got plenty of primer onto that. As I say, you can see now, get this. So you can see where I had to beat it back into shape. A lot of hammered in there to try and get that back as close as I could get. Yeah, so this is the corner here I could not get this right. There's a small bit of a curve there to the side. So that has to get another coat there. No, that side doesn't need another coat. It's this side here which faces into the grass box. Yeah, section that faces into the grass box needs to get a couple of coats. Be all. Now, I'll go over a few spots of this where muck and stuff stuck to it and grass. And those two spots where I got two droplets, they weren't runs, and we go over them. I got cobwebs here, so I gave it down the camera. I want to avoid sliding it, so I gave it. It won't stand there on its own. I gave it Case International. I gave it that as a kind of like a first coat and a coat and a base coat, and it's actually come out quite well. Fucking sun is back out. There's beaming me of it. I really can't do much more at the moment. It's too hot for me at the moment to be doing stuff. Lost pictures and videos due to a corrupted SD card. Videos of the deck after it was completely sanded and ready for spraying. Also the shell